Are you trying to find the ideal landing gear guards for the DJI Air 3? Look nowhere else. We'll go over the top 2 ways for keeping your drone safe and secure after it lands in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Balepha Landing Gear Protector. A good pick for protecting your DJI Air 3 drone's safety and security during landings is the Balepha Landing Gear Protector. You may fly your drone with confidence since this landing gear protector is made to provide outstanding safety and stability. Its sturdy and outstanding design is one of the Balepha Landing Gear Protector's most notable qualities. This cover, which is made of high-quality materials, is intended to withstand impact and protect against possible harm to your drone's sensitive landing gear. This gear guard will make sure that your drone doesn't get damaged when you land on a hard surface or in adverse weather. The Balepha Landing Gear Protector is not only well-built but also extremely easy to install. You can quickly attach your landing gear protector to your DJI Air 3 drone with this simple and basic installation technique. The protection is well-fitting and snug, ensuring the greatest stability possible during landing. Your drone won't tilt or sway as it lands, so you won't have to be worried about that. On number 2, we have DPFHL Landing Gear Protector. Look no farther than the DPFHL Landing Gear Protector if you're looking for a reliable and effective landing gear protector for your DJI Air 3 drone. This option is the best since it is made to offer outstanding reliability and protection, ensuring that your drone is safe and secure during landings. The DPFHL Landing Gear Protector's unique design is one of its most notable qualities. This cover, which was made with accuracy and longevity in mind, provides the best possible protection for your drone's landing gear. It is made from premium materials that were selected with impact resistance and drone damage prevention in mind. This gear guard will make sure that your drone is well protected whether you land on a rough surface or in severe weather. The DPFHL Landing Gear Protector is simple to install. You can quickly attach your protector to your DJI Air 3 drone using a simple and user-friendly installation technique. The shell is well-fitting and snug, giving landings maximum stability. Knowing that your drone won't sway or tilt when it lands gives you peace of mind. So these are some of the best landing gear protectors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.